Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is Coins Kid. I'm just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for your support, okay? Big up the Coins Kid crew. Thank you to each and every single one of you for everything that you do. So, unfortunately, XRP's rolled over, okay? I did say to you a few days ago, I think on Thursday when I made the last XRP video, I would be having some time off because of my grandma's funeral. There was so many trolley comments, okay? And, I can't control the market. It lost its support just there, and like I said to you, lose support, you got to go short, put some cheeky bids down here on 050. You can see it's bounced off it like a boss, okay? Bounced off it like a boss. You close below the 0618, and I said to you so many times, if you do start to roll there, put some cheeky bids down there, and you can see amazing level of support just there for XRP of around about 29% at the moment. So these horizontals are continuation patterns, but this particular pattern here, this large horizontal which you come up into, coiling up, like I said to you so many times, 68% chance of the upside, 32% chance of the downside, and with that you can see you've lost that support purely because Bitcoin rolled over, and then boom, you've carried out a technical target and you've come back down, and you're now holding a large horizontal support and resistance at the moment. So are we going to lose support 2 times in a row of a horizontal? What are the statistics on that particular pattern playing out like that? So for me, if you break this resistance here, come back up, break the resistance, boom, you're going to look at the retest of that, and you're going to be in a large break to the upside, like I said to you, and you're looking at minimal impulsive break to $4.50 here for XRP. Now, just here, I said to you, look, coiling up, you'll get some kind of breakout. But we did get a breakout, but it was to the downside, unfortunately. Okay, so you trade on these events. We lost support, go short. Break resistance, go long. Do you understand that? So he was looking for a close above this particular level of resistance. It never came, and was looking for a close below that particular level of support, and it did came. Do you understand that? So that's why I always give you technical targets. Trade on that information. But again, nothing to say is financial advice. I was hoping we'd break out today, but hope is a dangerous thing, isn't it? So right now, I'm hoping again, and I shouldn't hope, but I am hoping again that we have come up into this pattern, we are coiling up. Are we going to get 2 breakdowns of the horizontal, one after the other? Because if we break that level of resistance there, beautiful. Lose that support, not so beautiful. You can see immediately your next key level support is 0.382 at 39 cents, where you do see the bounces, okay, and they're all tradable events. So for me, I do think you've carried out this technical target at this horizontal, because they do have breakout targets. I'll show you right now from there to there, from there to there, and you can see you lost support just there, and look where you've wicked down to, boom. Target met like a boss, okay? So that's it. You've carried out a technical target. You've come down, you've held support, you've come back up, and right now, we're looking for a reversal pattern, aren't we? But what we do need to see is some things, okay, to get that big wave up, like we got here. When we came down, everyone was fearful. What happened? We started to create another wave. Just there, we came down, everyone was fearful, started to create another wave. And I've told you so many times, these particular drawbacks offer fantastic opportunities. And I said to you, if one comes down here, it's going to offer a fantastic opportunity, and it has already. It's over 27% up, isn't it? So these opportunities are like gold dust. Do you know what I mean? They don't come around very often. We've got one there, one there, one there, and one there in the last almost 2 years almost. You've had 1, 2, 3, 4 beautiful opportunities to get involved in XRP for the continuation of the bull market here. Look, high lows. Do you see this? High lows. Beautiful. Market structure has not been lost yet. If you start to come down and lose this low, then yeah, I think it's quite negative and potentially rolling. You've got your support levels just here that I do think will hold for XRP. You get the bounces off it. So unfortunately, it's not broke up to the upside. Making money is not necessarily that easy. A lot of people, and Grandad always says to me, if it was that easy, why is everyone not doing it? Okay, and it is right. If it was that easy, why is everyone not doing it? But people don't necessarily buy into fear. But these are the optimal opportunities that people don't necessarily understand that. Human psychology, okay? These are optimal opportunities. Now, if we take a look at the RSI on the weekly, look where you are on the weekly. You're sort of down there in the floor. You're looking good. On the daily, let's take a look at that. On the daily, look at that. You've lost the purple zone just there. You've lost it. Basically, optimal opportunity. Look at that purple zone just there. Put in that low. Start to come back up. Created a higher low, and up you went in the purple zone. Just outside the purple box, sorry. Completely oversold at 30. Look at that. And right now, the stock RSI is in the floor as well. Optimal entry point. I'm not saying the correction's over and we're going to bounce here, but I'm saying if you're looking for an optimal entry point, then potentially XRP is forming it right now, okay? And people, they don't necessarily buy fear, but that's exactly what they should be doing. Not necessarily buying big green candles because you get big red dildos, but you want to buy fear, you want to buy blood, you want to buy depression, and that's exactly what XRP is starting to form right now. I mean, look at this waterfall that is starting to form here for XRP. So you potentially we're looking for a reversal pattern just there for XRP. So what I'm looking at right now, I'm going to zoom in on the 4 hour. We're looking for some kind of pattern here, a reversal pattern that starts to form for XRP. What we've got, the RSI's in the floor. We've got beautiful little opportunity that was when that was down there, completely oversold. And right now we've got any kind of divergence, not necessarily, but what we've got is some kind of funnel just there, some kind of broadening wedge potentially just there for XRP. Do you see this? So potentially you've got some kind of reversal pattern that's starting to form. That could be a potential level of resistance moving forward, and you could begin to see some kind of ascending triangle here coming up, some resistance, support like that, start to coil up, come back up to where you form this broadening channel like that, and that's a key low resistance, and then you've got your beautiful double bottom. You start to break out of that, boom, back test of support, your reversals in for XRP, and you had the optimal entry point down here, buying fear, okay, because I would imagine that we're really overextended on the daily as well from the EMAs. Yeah, we're extremely overextended, so you're going to slow down a bit here and allow these EMAs to creep back up with you, get the retest of resistance, and with that, if you start to break back above these EMAs on the daily, especially the 20, because this is what we're looking for here. Do you remember? We was looking for a beautiful little double bottom pattern. We had a rising wedge that started to come up, we fell back down, we lost support, we came back down to where we formed the wedge, and with that, that's when Bitcoin decided to shit the bed. We've had a little wick down to a key level support, which is 050, and this trend line, the RSI's in the floor on the daily. You know, again, nothing I say is financial advice, but we're looking for this bottom out pattern here, this double bottom, get back above these EMAs, and that is your reversal pattern just there. And I would imagine at that point you're going to start to come back up and tackle this key level resistance, get through that. Amazing. Okay, so that's basically a quick little update for you on XRP. I don't necessarily envision that we're in a bear market yet. I think we've come back to a key level support. We're holding the support for the continuation of the trend. If you do start to lose that key level support, it's going to get quite nasty on them levels of support, because you can see you're losing this wick low here, which is this horizontal support and resistance that you're starting to conform to for XRP. So I hope you understand that update. I'm not a perma bull or a perma bear. All I do is say what I see. We trade on support and resistance. Lose support, you got to target to the downside. Break resistance, you got to target to the upside. I've taught you that much right now. Okay, hope you enjoyed that quick little update on XRP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.